everyone, it's Angie and it's Quick and Easy Day. So today we are making these adorable, super quick, last minute treat holders. And these are some that you can just stick in a stocking, or if you have a bunch of neighborhood kids, you can hand them out when you see them, or for a classroom, anything like that. These are so easy and they're very, very fun. There are 3 Hershey's Kisses in all of these, but isn't that cute? I mean, I made 3 different ones. I even made a grown-up one right here because I used the traditions. This is all the traditions of Christmas cardstock. But this one I used the one that had the gold foil on it. Isn't it pretty though? And then I used the gold trim. So on this one I just used the white, but it is from this Misty Moonlight, and I think this is an online exclusive with the white, and I'm just using the white from it. And yeah, it's holding 3 little Hershey's Kisses. And what I'm using for this is the branching out dies. Y'all, these are on sale. Go and check out the last chance list. I put it on my blog on Sunday. And there are a lot of things that are discounted that are in that holiday catalog that we just put out maybe a month ago. It seems like it's only been a month that we've gotten that one out, and a lot of them are already on the last chance list. But I'm using these dies, which makes it super quick and easy. So I'm using the 2nd largest and then the 3rd largest. And these are the 2 right here that I'm using. This is what makes it super quick. And then I'm using the stylish shapes just for the little circle. I cut that out already. And I am using the a little cheer bundle for this. So the little cheer bundle also is on the last chance list. And it has the little punches, the 3 little punches that coordinate with this. It's got the stocking, the tree, and the star. And I use those all on these as well. This is also, I believe these are also on sale. Yeah, there's a lot, y'all. If you still want Christmas stuff for next year or to just get your things done this year, go check it all out. All right, so these are what we're making today. Super, super easy. So I cut out an old olive. All this paper is from the Traditions of Christmas designer series paper, and it's a specialty one because it does have the gold foil on it. So I cut out the larger one in old olive, and then I just cut the next size in the designer series paper. This is the ribbon that I'm using. This is the one that goes with the Misty Moonlight, and then this is for the sentiment. So let's just go ahead and stamp the sentiment, and I'm going to just go ahead and use the old olive because I want it all to coordinate. So we're going to do the Merry and the Christmas, and I'm leaving a little spot so I can punch the hole for the ribbon. These would be super cute for classrooms because you can make a bunch of them super quick. All right, I'm going to use my little 1/8 inch circle punch. I have one of these. Oh, you can use, you can use this in the assorted punch set. Yeah, the whole punch assortment, I think it's called. So you can use that one for that as well. I just used the handheld one before. All right, we're going to score this and we're going to cut this piece. So I'm just going to use my trimmer because it's just easier to do both of them at the same time. So on this one, you're going to score it at 1 3/4 on each side. And I use my stylus because I like the way it scores better. So just do 1 3/4 on each end. And then this one, we're cutting to 1 1/2, and you're cutting 1 1/2 off each end. And you can use that centerpiece if you want to punch out. You can even punch out your little punch with that if you want. So these are what we're going to mat it with. Okay, so we're just going to fold this. Let me get my bone folder here. I'm going to score these, sharpen these up. And I'm going to turn it upside down. We're going to mat these. You can even get your kids to help you or your grandkids to help you if they want to make something for their classroom. This is super easy. And it's just not plain. It's like cute because it's got the little decorated edges. It's all stitched on both of these pieces. I even thought about bringing these to work because we have people I can just drop it on their bench, and it doesn't matter if it's for a boy or a girl. They're perfect for either. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole in here. I'm just going to line those up, and I'm going to mark it right there, and I'm going to punch another hole so they line up perfectly. All right, so I am using some seal just to hold these in. I usually use the Seal Plus, but I'm out of that. So I'm just going to use the seal, and the seal does hold it. I'm using the Grinch ones because I thought they matched. I'm using the Grinch Hershey's Kisses. Right, and then I'm going to grab the ribbon. And, you know, I mean, this is very economical, especially that these are on sale. Most of the holiday stuff is on sale. And it's your last chance to get it, because when it's gone, they're going to be gone. That's just how they do it. All right, so I am going to grab my little sentiment. I'm going to put it through here. I'm going to line these up so that they're about the same length. And we're going to tie that closed. I'm going to tie a little bow here. You can use the trim like I used as well. It gives it a little bit more Christmassy vibe, but this is pretty too. I like it. You can even color this ribbon with your blends. You can color right over this ribbon and make it old olive if you want. All right, so there's our bow. I'm going to grab some of my old olive, and this is what I cut it from, so I'm just using that, and I'm going to punch out the tree. You can use the stocking, the tree, or the star. Whoops, almost closed that. And I'm just going to add a little bit of wet glue to the back. And you can put it wherever you want. You can put it on the top here. You could put it on your ribbon if you want. But I'm gonna just stick it to the side here. Right there. And that's it. They are done. These are so great for last minute or classroom, anything like that. But look at them all. Aren't they cute? I mean, they're just really little, and they just have enough little treats for, you know, like someone you just want to give a little something to. So yeah, that's it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. If you look on Sunday's post, the last chance list is there. I may go ahead and post it again, and you can shop on there. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.